Hey everybody, I'm Jeff Griffith with Mixia, and I'm here to talk about your visibility into the actual customer experience and maybe some of the challenges you're experiencing along the way. Typically, we're being told that Wi-Fi doesn't behave. We may have tested before we set it up, but that was with an empty building, or our APs are telling us that up in the ceiling everything is fantastic. But what about down at the users? Well, by deploying endpoints that are actually running Wi-Fi tests in remote locations, you'll know exactly what to expect before your users jump on the Wi-Fi. You'll be able to tell how long does it take to access, how long does it take to send data, how good is the connectivity, how many APs am I actually hearing, what's the interference level. All of these questions will be answered for you from the customer point of view as opposed to the AP, so you'll know what they're experiencing. And we take that a step further by running actual applications over the Wi-Fi. You'll know exactly what speed your data was moving. You'll know how long it took to get from point A to point B all across the Wi-Fi. And by comparing that to these same tests on your wired, you'll know if you're getting the experience you expect out of your Wi-Fi. So we have all these problems to solve. We have to reduce the time it takes to figure out what's wrong. We have to get rid of learning about these problems from our end users. And how are we going to do all of that? We're going to do that with Hawkeye from Mixia. We're going to help you achieve faster and more predictable deployments. We're going to help you detect outages and slowdowns with active monitoring. Instead of passively waiting for something to tell you it's wrong, we're going to tell you in advance. We're going to do this through low-cost endpoints, either hardware or software. And how do we give you that information? We do it by drilling down on all the data we collect from all the tests that we've run. We give you a simple pass-fail test. So instead of being yellow or 74%, is 74% good? I don't know, but I know red and green. And if we tell you it's green, it's good. And if we tell you it's red, then it's bad. And you know you have something you have to look at. And these are all based on thresholds that you can set, customized for your environment. So you're not doing it based on some out-of-the-box, this should work for everybody. We're going to give you reports that are simple to understand. We're going to show you what test was run, what values we received, and what your threshold was, and whether you passed or failed. So you'll know exactly where that problem was. This goes to that mean time to identify. If one of these is red, I know where my problem is. And we've now cut that down from hours to minutes. Well, maybe we've touched on a couple of points that are critical to your environment, and you have some more questions. If you do, please reach out to your Mixia sales team, or better yet, reach out to your Mixia partner. Thanks for watching.